I'm gonna create another video. Don't worry about that. It is it just don't worry if it's a video that my dad is watching. I know how to see who's trying to emote. I don't have the energy now. The bro just walk. No, how can I not walk? No, it's quite broken. How much is my FPS? It's FPS is not allowed in this. I can bro walk around it, but I cannot. Why bro? Why everyone always have asked? I'm proving to my classmates that I'm actually no wall hub. They already see my other wall hubs, but they don't believe it. They think they think it's fake. If I prove it to them in this video, I don't know why that cage guy can walk around it, but I can't walk around it. Bro, yours is hacked maybe. I tried to cut sometimes, but sometimes my clutches don't work. I tried to clutch, but they don't work. Please don't die. This is only gonna be the technique. Sorry, this way. I thought that was kind of wow. I thought that was kind of. So I almost died. I suck at this level. Never mind, then don't suck. Be faster. Go. I see a tutorial how to. I see a tutorial how to ladder flick. That's why I know how to ladder flick now. Look, like this. Do this. If you turn your camera 90 degrees and like this, just tap it. Don't like just that. Don't do that. Look, if you learn it, that so you keep you jump, even you're not jump, you jumping, even that's not allowed in other games. That you, it's much faster in that, it's much faster in that one. Does it disappear? It doesn't. Yeah, you can just see my name right there. It's random because this is another account that I created. So my classmate be like, why Disha you not playing Roblox anymore? Playing, they just don't know that I'm playing Roblox on another account. It does don't know that I'm playing on another account. I'm just trying to be careful. Okay. Jump, jump, jump. Oh, I thought that was impossible. It's still possible. Jump. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I suck. I might beat it. I suck. And sometimes player, even new player, suck like me. I guess, I guess sometimes I do. Sometimes I just not can do my ladder flicks or something. But I can do my wall hops though. I can do it. Don't try. Don't tell me I cheat. I cheated. Look, if I jump, doesn't. So this is true that I'm myself licking. Uh, Tell me I'm a liar. You're the liar, bruh. Does even anyone come past me yet? Oh, so let's be careful. Maybe this is the not kill break one, or this is the kill break. I just don't know. Cause sometimes they only color it. They do not even. They only color it like white, or black, but it's still one hit. Not like that. That's only if it's red, it's one hit. But sometimes when it's not, bro. What is this? A triangle wall up? That's so easy. Look, I even did that. Oh, that's a damaged one. I healed. So busy more than this. Oh man, bro, I'm not trying to get full again. That's so easy when. Oh, this is not that easy, but. Oh, so I drop again. This is so. I'm so not a pro. Oh, this is so far that I drop. It's even far away, but do. Hey, but I'm better than Bandan. I told you. Don't believe me? Still falls on the. I didn't fall. This is so easy now. Oh, no. I can lateral flick. I can show you. I just want to end the video now. I'm so far, but I'm so far, but that way. But this is I'm so far on that. I always fall. It, I suck at this. You what video? Look at how much I posted on these videos. Uh, Here's me. I just let's me